with this? So it's interesting you asked that. So 62% retrace. All right. So there were things going on that really there were market signs that we could be reversing our price action soon. Okay. All right. So this is what he's talking about. This was all-time highs. But so there were variables. Look, a huge run up, high on price, sold off, high on price, all-time highs on the daily. Lower levels of relative strength. Ooh, this is all new. They changed that a little bit. All right. So you had Class A bearish divergence on your all-time highs. Class A bearish divergence, and it really wasn't as clear on the MACD. It was very real. You were diverging, right? You see the RSI and you say, wow, they're both diverging tremendously up here. You're near a psychological resistance of 20,000, where we know on BitMEX it did hit 20K, just didn't hit it quite here, like 19,900 and something, right? Also, another coinciding variable that was bad for Bitcoin was the receding volume. Look, here was this huge spike, huge volume. Look, with all-time highs, we had almost inexistent volume, like none, right? None. So you had three coinciding variables saying, hey, we were screwed. You were also like $5,000 to $7,000 away from the 20-day moving average, which is insane too. Like, you know, see this 20-day moving average. Like one time when you hit all-time highs, you're like 19,843. At the time, you were like $5,050 away from the 20-day moving average. Just insane. That happens. Okay, so there you go. Another thing, I guess, like, right, if you're talking about the 618 or something, were you talking about here? Or went from just the previous little low to high? Oh, yeah. The dead cat bounce happened at a 62% retrace. This is the dead cat bounce, right? Push back up, screwed some bears, and people were able to recover and offload their positions at higher prices before the bear trend began. Dead cat bounce, crazy. I mean, think about it. December 17th, 2017, you were at almost 20K. You went all the way down 10,482 in like a 5-day period. So in 5 days, you went from nearly 20K to 10,482 at one point. That was the swing. That's insanity. Okay, wow. But yeah, you did bounce. The dead cat bounce started at the 60% retrace. And it's funny, man, because like the 60% retrace is amazing, right? It's amazing. Low to high. Didn't quite get it. Got the 50% retrace there. Okay, that's in the golden zone, right? Low to high. Touch the 618 like to Jesus, man. Perfect. Oh, okay. So here I think it was a little bit more shallow from this low to high. Yeah, it was like a 50%, 382, where the candle closed around 38%. So the golden zone, man, that's what we're talking about. We just had it where a different swing low. One was a 38% retrace, one was a 50%, one was a 60% retrace. How about that, man? Each one of these is the golden zone. They all make up the golden zone. Beautiful, man.
Funny haters say BTC will go to zero. That's impossible. Let's pretend BTC went to 3K crazy buying. BTC to $1 life savings will be going in LOL.
Yeah, thanks for the $5 super chat. Haters say Bitcoin will go to zero. Are they haters? Or they just like, you know, they don't really care or understand, or they're closed-minded and they don't really want to look at, they don't really understand what it is, which is understandable, I guess, that someone, oh wow, you know, people thought the internet was a joke too. People thought, people thought cars were a joke. Dude, come on, man. This horse with buggy, what more do you need, man? Every like revolutionary technology, of course people are just gonna write it off like it's going to zero, that it's a fad. Yeah, the internet fad, dude. What a joke, man. So I hope that helped answer the question, man. That was a loaded question you had, man. Hopefully some people got something out of that, right? The divergence we saw, the receding volume. You get it right. And here we are, man. Nice recovery. Very nice recovery. 62% retrace so far. Can we go higher, man? 17,300 up here, man. What? Look at this, man. Look where we are. We're breaking That's resistance again, man. This is a big freaking deal. This is not a joke, chat. You don't play jokes in here. Okay, but we do all the time, actually. So really, if you sustain prices above this, if you can get a daily close above this resistance, chat, I'm telling you, just like it did before, it would run right up to the next resistance. It like literally did the same thing when we broke the last time. So this is extremely important that this, you see, this is the price action. This is where we are on price, all right? Staying above this area, very, very, very important, because there is absolutely no resistance or support in between 11,785 and 12,760. Nothing except the stuff we manufactured, the chop, right? That's it, short-term stuff, not long-term stuff. Big deal, man. Heating food up. Okay, so you can see, looking back now, nothing here besides some 4-hour highs. Okay. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at this. The tweezer bottom, bullish engulfing, off the 20-day moving average. Chat. Can't even make this up. It's beautiful. So on a daily, you'd think that there's a good chance we could run up to 12,763 if we closed above this 11,785 area. Yeah. There is a good chance. Get that out. But again, we have 46 minutes left, chat. Anything can happen. We could pull back below these areas and close below it, and that's real bad. You don't want to do that at this point. You want to stay above it, okay?